In this video, I'm going to explain how to stop Android apps from running in the background. Background apps can consume resources and battery life. So to begin, you need to press the button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will open a view where you can swipe up on the apps to close them completely. If you have a shortcut as well, go ahead and select Recents, and this will show you all the apps that is active in the background. Then you can choose to close it by tapping on Close All from the bottom, and the apps will be removed from the background. Alternatively, you can also access on your device settings. Locate settings, then scroll all the way down and go to apps. Wait for the app list to load and then select the app that you wish to manage. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on battery section. Here, choose restricted to limit the app's background activity. Finally, you can use developer options as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.